In this video I'm going to show you how to set up a grade item in the grades tool itself rather than setting up the grade item when you create an assignment. So to do this, what you have to do is select grades from that menu and then manage grades. And what we're going to do here is again select the manage grades tab. And what we normally do, as you will know, is choose numeric. And I'm just going to give this a name. I'm not going to put it in a category for now. Maximum points, we normally have 100. I'm going to leave weighting as 10 because I know that I've got just 10% left in the grades area to apply. I'm going to leave that as my default grade scheme. I'm not going to attach a rubric this time, and then I'm going to save and close. And then the next step is to associate that grade item with a particular tool. So in this case we're going to do that with a quiz. And I don't think this example quiz has a grade item attached, so let's edit the quiz and go to the assessment tab where it says grade item. We're now going to select that demo grade item we just set up and press save and close, and that's all there is to it.